Right, so lads, we've a 2009 Kia Carens, 2-litre diesel. It has an engine check light that is flashing. So we're just going to scan it here now. Scanned it already. We have particle filter trap efficiency below threshold, bank 1. OB codes, particle filter below threshold, bank 1, P2002. So just go to check this particle filter. So what I was going to check just to see is this particle filter pressure pipes, are any of them blocked before I go any further. So pipe, midi vac set to pressure, or vacuum, whichever we're doing. This one is not building any pressure. So we're now onto the other pressure pipe up here. Pressure. As you can see, it's building pressure. So as the pipe is clean now, and as you can see, it's not building any pressure anymore. And now is to clear the light and go for a drive and see does the light stay off. So lads, falcos are cleared now. Not too sure if it'll come back without doing a static regeneration, but we'll give it a drive first and we'll see how it works out with like that on it.